Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious donuts. We begin by activating our yeast. Combine 1.5 cups of warm milk, heated to about 95 degrees Fahrenheit, with 4 teaspoons of instant yeast. In your stand mixer, combine 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, and 1.5 teaspoons of fine sea salt. Gradually add your wet ingredients and 8 tablespoons of room-temperature unsalted butter, mixing until a smooth, homogeneous dough forms. Once your dough is ready, place it in a greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise at room temperature for 90 minutes, or until it has doubled in size. Next, gently punch down the risen dough to release the gas and turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Roll the dough evenly to about 3/4 inch thick. Use a 3-inch round cutter to cut out your donut shapes, yielding approximately 12 donuts. Now it's time to fry. In a large Dutch oven, add vegetable oil to a depth of about 2.5 inches and heat it to 335 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place 3 to 4 donuts into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pot. Fry each side for about 30 to 45 seconds, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Immediately transfer the fried donuts to a wire rack to cool and drain any excess oil. For the perfect finish, let's make a simple glaze. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 cups of confectioner's sugar with 5 tablespoons of water and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract until smooth. Once your donuts have cooled slightly but are still warm, dip each one into the glaze, ensuring it's fully coated. Place the glazed donuts back on the wire rack to allow the glaze to set completely before you serve, and enjoy your incredible homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.